Hey, what's up folks? It's Mike here from Net or Gold. So for this video, I want to show you the results or show you the process of me using this rice water shampoo and conditioner I found at my local beauty supply store. So if that's something you're interested in, please stand by, watch this video. You'll enjoy it. If not, I'll catch you next video, I promise. But before you leave, in the comments below, let me know what you want to see next, and I'll do my best to make it happen. So subscribe to the channel, watch this intro, and we get to this video. Cool? Let's make it happen. Hey, what's up folks? So we're getting ready to get down to this. I'm going to show you real quick the two shampoos and conditioners. This is the conditioner and this is the shampoo. It's from Wells Oil. So their website is wellsoil.org. They're out of Maryland, so not too far from where I am. And yeah, I'm going to just show you all real quick and pull up on the screen. Me taking a shower last night utilizing both of these. And just give you real quick how it felt. So the first one we'll look at here is the moisturizing shampoo. It's fermented rice moisturizing shampoo. All right, so the ingredients here, as you can see, they're cool. I mean, I don't really know what some of these are, but it's usually the case. So, you know, I can't really, but I will say it does smell nice. It does have a nice pepperminty and a lavender, lemongrass, lemon scent to it. So I do like that very much. When I was using it, so I used a lot of it in my hair. I have a lot of hair. Well, I'm not gonna say a lot. I used this much of it last night in my hair and my beard. So I used that. And I'm gonna say while I was using it, it did foam up pretty well. But one of the issues I did have is that my hair felt extremely dry afterwards, extremely brittle. This is all while I'm still in the shower, of course. So it worked. You know, it did work because shampoo is supposed to strip all the natural oils and all the oils from your hair to make sure all that dirt's gone. And this did an amazing job of that. Got rid of every single bit of it. There was none left. When I was done showering, I literally felt, well, when I was done washing my hair with it while I was in the shower, even though water was hitting my hair, there was no moisturization feeling at all. So in that sense, it did do an amazing job of that. And if that was the only thing I'd utilized, I would definitely add some butter and some oil of our own here from Net or Gold and done that. Because you all know we sell rice water as well, more of a spray leave-in conditioner, so not a shampoo. The shampoos are essentially whatever someone would normally use in shampoo because water is always an additive. They just added rice water instead of regular water, and then boom, you got a rice water shampoo here. Now for the conditioner, I used this much of the conditioner, and so these are the ingredients. All right, so as you can see here, the rice water, aloe vera juice, shea butter. I don't know what BTMS is, so let's just pull that up on the screen right now. Yeah, so that's what that is. I'm not okay. That's cool, I guess. Whatever. It gets the job done. But one thing I will say is the peppermint oil in this one compared to the peppermint oil in the shampoo was a lot more potent. Maybe because it just stayed on my head, but I could feel like the pores in my head opening up, the follicles getting that love from the peppermint oil, because you all know peppermint does an amazing job of really, like that menthol really gets in there and just opens up the pores. So as it's sitting on top of my head, I just felt this nice cooling sensation, nice cooling sensation, nice cooling sensation. There it is. Nice cooling sensation, and it felt fantastic. I was sitting there very happy with it. My hair did start to feel very bodyful, started to feel like it was very moisturized, so I definitely had no complaints with that at all. Definitely enjoyed that one. Again, the ingredients aren't really my favorite. More so, again, I don't, BTMS, just the hell, but whatever. It got the job done. And then silver dioxygen centrate. So I'm pretty sure these, it says on the back no synthetic, so it's probably something natural. I'm just not familiar with it. But it did the job. The shampoo and conditioner combination did the job. My hair, when I got out, didn't smell bad. It smelled amazingly, fruity and citrusy. It did feel moisturized. Now, of course, on top of that, on the back of the conditioner, it says you need to, for better results, apply rice bran oil. So they had a rice bran oil in the store as well to go along with this. But I was like, nah, I'm good. So what I did was I just took a little bit of yum water spray that we have here, sprayed that on the beard, sprayed that on the hair, and then topped it off with the Morning Tiger beard oil that I like to use all over as well for that nice gingery scent to help open the pores even more. And that's how I ended my night. Now, the next morning when I woke up, felt good. My hair felt soft. It still feels very soft. Still feels a little bit brittle. Does feel a little bit brittle. It could be from the lack of water I've been drinking. And I will say my beard as well. This morning had a lot. Actually, throughout the day, it's had a lot of split ends that I've been trimming and just combing through my beard, but they just been coming out shedding like usual, or a little bit more than usual. So I can't say this is the cause of this. I can't say these are the reasons why I'm shedding, but I'm not going to say they aren't. I do shed a lot normally when I comb, so that's it's a give take. So if you all decide to use this brand, please let me know if you experienced any shedding in your hair and your beard. But the shedding I did have wasn't good hair. It wasn't healthy hair, the best way to put it. It was all split ends, so anytime I combed through, there were just split ends coming out. So I don't know if this increased the split ends, or if these are split ends already there, or ends getting ready to split. So I have no clue. But at the end of the day, this stuff did work. I think it did an amazing job of washing my hair, conditioning my hair. I would have preferred, or I should have ended that night with a butter as well to really lock in that moisture, but I wanted to test out just the rice water with the oil combination, because it does say, for best results, apply the rice bran oil. So I wanted to give it a shot. It was good. It was good. It was good. Will I buy this again? Probably not. What I'm thinking of doing is taking our black soap, our liquid black soap, and then just adding some of our rice water into that the next time I make a little bit of it, and using that as my shampoo, because I prefer that ingredient combination a little bit more, the combination of oils and stuff like that. But I will finish up this bottle, or these bottles. They're like $12 each, so I am going to finish these up just because I paid for them, and I don't dislike them. It's just, Again, I haven't used a store-bought shampoo and conditioner in my hair in 4 or 5 years maybe, so take that with a grain of salt what I think about it, but I would love to know what you all think about it. So in the link below, or in the description below, I'm going to put the link to their website. Their website is very basic. I put it up on my phone. Very basic. It's not anything super fancy, but they do have a lot of local stores here in the area, so their Instagram page does reflect that as well. So if that's something you're interested in, definitely give them a shot, give them a try. And in the comments below, let me know what companies you're utilizing for your hair. Because what I want to do here, what I want to do more of with this channel is test out some of the products that you are interested in or you currently use to see whether or not you have the same results, or just put myself through the test. Because honestly, if my hair starts to fall out, I'll just cut it off and it'll grow back anyway. It doesn't. I'm here to test out for you because I have tough skin, so I want my tough skin to be useful to you in some way, shape, or form, besides just, me being able to take insults very well. So with that being the case, I hope this video was useful to you in some way, shape, or form. I hope you were able to learn something. If you're looking again for the rice water stuff, in the description below, I got you. This was not sponsored. Spent this with my own money. They didn't send me this stuff. This is something I saw in the store, and this is something I gotta try. And I liked it enough, to tell you all to give it a shot. Again, combination of the ingredients aren't my thing, but it's not always about me, it's about you. So I think this is the last time I'm gonna say the word. So do me a favor, subscribe to the channel below, hit the button, the bell notification. I'm working on producing really high quality content with you all, or for you all. I come to a realization that I've been half-assing my entire life, and now I need to start giving a whole ass. So this is going to be my first attempt to give a whole ass by really trying to make this video successful, good for you all, engaging. If you made it to this point in the video, which is about 10 minutes and some change, please do me a solid favor and just put Mike, you did good, or Mike, thumbs up, or something. Let me know that this was something you were interested in. Also, going forward, if you see any of my videos and there's something you think I could have done better or I should have left out, let me know, and I will definitely take that into consideration. I have been very pig-headed in the past because I'm not going to say I don't value other people's opinions, but I was so set on if Michael was happy, Michael's good. But in this realm here of YouTube and whatnot, I need to make sure you all are also enjoying the content I'm putting out. It's not just about me, it's about you. So I want to make sure I'm giving you all content you'll be happy with. So please, again, in the comments below, let me know if something was right, someone's wrong. Please don't be cryptic. Please spill it all out. Let me know what I did wrong. I will swallow my pride. I will gulp it down. I'll take that hit just to make sure you all get some good content, okay? So thank you so much. Appreciate you, and have a beautiful day. Boss Mick, appreciate you. And I hope that was enough for you. What time is it? Hey, it's only 8:55 in the night. I still got stuff to do. All right. See ya.